How to sell crypto on KuCoin P2P. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sell crypto on KuCoin P2P. Well, the process is simple. Simply open up KuCoin and make sure you're logged into your wallet. Now here I'm not verified, but you'll need to be verified as well. So in order to sell your crypto, you can head into trade, and now you are on the spot trading option here, right? Now, Now what you can do is you can head into assets. Here you want to select the assets that you would like to sell. In my case, I don't have any asset and there is no any sell option, but you'll get it. Then enter the amount of crypto to sell and the system will automatically calculate the amount of fiat you can receive. Then you can click sell and confirm your order information and click confirm. So this is how you can sell assets via P2P trading on KuCoin easily. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.